If you want to clean up your X, formerly Twitter, timeline, and stop seeing certain words, phrases, or topics, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to mute words on x.com step by step, so you can filter out content you don't want to see and make your feed a lot more comfortable and focused. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more simple social media tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open x.com or the X app and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left-hand navigation menu, look for More, which is shown with the three dots icon. Click on More to open the extra settings menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you into your account settings where you can manage your privacy, safety, and content preferences. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. This section controls a lot of your experience on X, including what you see and how your account behaves. Once you're inside Privacy and Safety, find and click Mute and Block. This is where X lets you manage muted accounts, blocked accounts, and muted words. Now select muted words. You'll see a list of any words or phrases you've already muted, and this is also where you can add new ones. Click the plus icon, usually found in the top or bottom right, depending on your device or screen size. After that, type the word or phrase you want to hide from your timeline, notifications, or other areas where X applies muted words. You can mute a single word, a hashtag, or even a phrase if you want to filter more specific content. Once you've entered the word or phrase, click Save. That's the final step, and now X will start hiding content that includes that muted word based on the settings you chose. If you ever want to update your muted words later, you can come back to the same menu and edit or remove them anytime. This is a really useful feature if you want to avoid spoilers, reduce spam, block out sensitive topics, or just make your X experience feel more personalized. And that's it. You now know how to mute words on x.com or Twitter in just a few easy steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.